What is up, guys? Today I have a comparison video for you guys. That is between the Stylecraft Instinct with the Echo Blade and the TPOB play clipper with the chunk blade. The reason I decided to make this video is because I was deciding which one of the two I wanted to get. I couldn't really find that much content about the chunk blade. And so I said, hey, I might as well make my own video now that I have them both. So I end up having to buy them both. Now, I've been using this longer than I've been using this, and I can tell you, with this blade, you can really hear the hair crunching as you hit it. With the chunk blade, I really like this clipper. I think it's quiet, and I think it's really ergonomic, but I don't feel like I'm quite getting the crunch that I'm looking for as I'm cutting hair as I do with the Echo Blade. So in this video, I'm gonna do a high taper, and I'm gonna do one side with the Stylecraft Instinct, and I'm gonna do the other side with the TPOB play clipper equipped with the chunk blade. And I'm gonna give you guys a kind of a audio clip so you guys can tell me how y'all feel about it. And hopefully this video can help someone who's on the fence between getting this clipper or not. Okay guys, so to start this haircut off, I'm gonna start by combing the hair all around. Make sure that everything is cut ready. Then I'm gonna set in my first guideline with my Andes T-Outliner trimmers. Let me just take this time to say that I am not a barber. I do not have my barber license. I'm just a kind of YouTube taught, self-taught kind of dude that wants to save money on cutting his son's hair. This is my nephew here, but yeah, this is pretty much how I learned, man. Just messing around, learning what I could learn on the internet and putting it into practice. So once I'm done putting in these bold guidelines, we are gonna get into the first sound clip. That's gonna be that Echo Blade. So there you have it, guys. That is the Echo Blade versus the chunk blade. I would say that the Echo Blade has way more of an audible crunch to it, which is really helpful, especially for guys like me, who's not a professional, if you will. It's really helpful for me to hear the hair, crunch when I'm hitting it, because as you'll see in this video, as I'm cutting hair, a lot of times I cut kind of slow, and I've been working on my speed lately, but I think the reason for that is that I spend a lot of time timid, worried about, not taking off too much, and so I'm moving up so slowly and going over the same spot more than one time. I don't know, you guys heard it. Y'all let me know down in the comments, but as for the rest of this video, y'all can just vibe with me and watch me as I do this fade. So I finish up the right side with the play, you know, debulking, finishing up the fade. And then very shortly you're gonna see me here move on to the left side and do that with the instincts. So here I go on the left side with the instincts. And man, I'll be honest, aside from these clippers being loud as hell, these clippers ain't did me nothing wrong, man. I've been using them for about a year, and you know, they're cool. If I can mix the play and the instinct together, I definitely take the sound from the play, the ergonomics from the play, and mix it with the motor from this Stylecraft, because this thing is strong as hell. So when I got to the back, I told myself, you know what, let me go ahead and just finish off the rest of the haircut with the plays, because they're my newest member of the team to my arsenal, and I want to get used to it. I want to kind of get myself acclimated to using it. And I'll be honest, like, have you guys ever had something that, like I don't know, a gadget, a tool, a clipper, what have you, that you like, and you really want to like it? Like, it's like something about it, you really want to like it, and you're trying to like force yourself to like it. I feel that's the kind of relationship that I have with this clipper. And you know, hopefully, you know, the blade, as far as it cuts, that chunk blade cuts really good, real precise. Like, I like the way my blends come out, you know. But like I said, there's just a few things that will be nice to have. So yeah, here I go with the one guard, and I'm getting that blend going, working it up. So this right here is actually my half guard. This is the half guard that came with the play, and I really like it. I think it's very similar to the JRL half guards, or even, if I'm not mistaken, the Tomb 45 half guards. And I like them because they got that pointy tip, which when you're cutting coarse hair, which is essentially and basically what I cut all the time. I really don't cut any straight hair. Like I said, you know, I'm not a barber. I don't have a ton of clients. So for the cuts that I do, it's, you know, very coarse hair, curly hair, and the teeth on these half guards are really good at lifting up the hair and getting it into the clipper. So that about wraps it up for this video, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully y'all were able to hear the difference in like the sound, the crunch. Personally, I think that the Stylecraft has, the Echo Blade has way more of a crunch than the Chunk Blade. But I will say, I really do like this clipper because it's quiet and it just doesn't have that annoying buzz in your client's ear, especially when you're cutting kids and things like that. So, I don't know, let me know what you guys think. If y'all like videos like this, definitely let me know. As you can see, this is my first video that I posted of this kind of content. I'm very multifaceted, like I do a lot of different things, and one of the hardest problems that I face is figuring out exactly what I want to make videos on and just kind of hone in on. So depending on the feedback I get on this, if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below and I'll definitely bring those to you guys. But for now, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.